What is up, all you beautiful credit repair hustlers? Today's video, we're going to be talking about leveraging virtual assistants to systematize your business. If you're the type of guy that wants to generate a massive empire of at least making $1 million a year, and you still have a one-man army, let me tell you right now, you are doing something wrong. All the big ballers, the big players, they don't really do that much work. Matter of fact, I can give you plenty of examples of people living down like Miami, West Palm Beach, and Florida, literally just laying on the beach or on their beautiful yacht and just watching their Stripe income just increase by the day. The reason being is because they learn to put systems into place so that realistically they don't have to do any work, okay? And that's the best way of handling your business. Dumb it down so that you don't have to do anything. Put systems into place so you don't have to really do anything. So what we're talking about today is actually leveraging virtual assistants. Matter of fact, leveraging virtual assistants that you pay $3 to $5 an hour. To give you an example, people in the Philippines, their minimum wage is around $1 US dollar per hour. So what if there was a way that you could hire that person from the Philippines, pay them maybe $2 an hour to beat their current job, and use their skills to be able to generate you income and to help you do the daily tasks like handling disputes, like doing content, things like that. So let me give you an example. For me personally, this video that you're watching right now, I filmed this video. I put it on my Dropbox. I hand it over to somebody from the Philippines, and what they do is they chop up my media, they distribute it among all my social media platforms, and all I have to do is just record things once. I record it once and distribute it among all my social media. It's a beautiful thing. You can do this with anything. Your dispute letters, with anything you have that just takes up too much of your time, use it for that. In order to become a millionaire, you need to be making $500 an hour. Do you really think that those ballers, those people making millions and millions of dollars a year, do you really think they're handling dispute letters? Do you really think they're behind the computer creating graphics for marketing? They're not. They have a team of people that actually specializes in that. So what I'm trying to say is you need to find some virtual assistants that specializes in the things that you need done. I guarantee you that these people are going to be a lot better than you, probably do it a lot faster than you, because the people are actually, they want to work, they want to hustle, and they need to provide for the family. Let me give you an example of my virtual assistant. Her name is Hannah. Amazing lady. She's a hustler, and she works incredibly hard so that she can put food on the table for her family. She does all my content. She does most of my marketing for me because I hand her media. She creates graphics for me, and she distributes them on all my social media platforms. What I do is I simply pay her $3 per thumbnail or a certain amount. What you need to do is tonight, you need to go on Facebook, and you need to, if you need somebody to edit your videos for you, go on Facebook tonight, look up a Facebook group for videography, hop on that Facebook group and put up a simple post. I need to find somebody to edit my media. I guarantee you within an hour, if the group has at least 50,000 people in there, within an hour, you're gonna get 10 responses begging to work for you, okay? The only thing is when you're actually hiring one of these virtual assistants is with anything, you need to make sure that they're actually qualified and can do what they say. So don't give them such a big job up front. Obviously test them out up front. And then what you're gonna wanna do is not necessarily pay them by hour, but pay them by the job. I preach this all the time. Pay them by the job because they will work as hard as they want in order to get paid as much as they want. Have their income be performance-based is what I'm trying to say. So guys, if you're not leveraging virtual assistants in your business to do the work, you're just doing too much work. Make sure tonight, hop on Facebook, find yourself a virtual assistant that you can pay $3 an hour to do all your content, your dispute letters, whatever you need them to do for you. Find a virtual assistant. And if you guys need help systematizing your business, if you need help putting into place systems so that your credit repair business can have some predictability, guys, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me, and I'll be more than happy to spend 20-30 minutes on your business and generate a list of step-by-step things that you need to do in order to give you that freedom that you need in your credit repair business. Like I said, guys, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me, and I'll be more than happy to help you with some predictability in your credit repair business. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.